name is Maxine. I built the zoo feeder, and the part of the zoo is the rainforest area, which has like birds, frogs, lizards, some turtles, and I just added that in our hamster, but that is not dedicated to that. And a monkey. Upside down monkey. We have the savannah. It's a pretty beautiful place with giant trees. And the elephants, giraffes. There's a little tiny elephant over there. You can see that. Okay, and there is the nurse, the hospital, cafe, ocean area, which is like dolphins, sea lions, seals, and whales, seahorses, sea turtles, fish, octopuses, a lot of seashells, some plants, and why I chose to, we have the common area. You'd usually see these. Oh, there's a little bird right there, bunny, horse, those are the animals there. Why I chose to make this feeder? Because if people just go up, animals might hurt them. And animals could get used to humans and they would come closer to humans. Not all humans are good. And how the feeder works. Yes. So the feeder works by an animal comes up right here. It feeds them. And the animals are very, 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 very happy. And it also sometimes says, okay. So, this is the lookout tower. And the playground. Okay.
Can you talk about how you made the robot? What are the parts of it?
I made the parts by, see these? These things are called motors. They can push things. Here, let me give you a demonstration. And I eat them. And this is called a sensor. Let's watch the video. I'll do it this time. There. That's how that works. And the coding is really important. You have to have the correct coding. So this block right here, when program starts. So when the program starts, I'm not telling you what it does. It repeats, this whole process repeats 2 times. And it waits until C is closer than 10 centimeters. Question mark. E run this way for 0.5 seconds. E run is the other way for 0.5 seconds.
And what is that part telling the robot to do?
It's telling to kick the food and give it to the animal, and then it writes yum.
Yeah. And what does the C part do? Do you remember what part that is?
The C part is the sensor, which that is really, really, you need to know that. A this motor. You see that? Okay. And that's my zoo feeder.